Frequently asked questions about wolves. How strong are wolves' jaws? The massive molars and powerful jaws of a wolf are used to crush the bones of its prey. The biting capacity of a wolf is 398 pounds of pressure per inch too. The strength of a wolf's jaws makes it possible to bite through a moose femur to get to the bone marrow. In comparison, a domestic dog has a biting pressure of 320 pounds per inch too. A human has a much lower biting pressure of 120 pounds per inch too. What do wolves eat? Wolves are carnivores, or meat eaters. Gray wolves prey primarily on ungulates, large, hoofed mammals such as white-tailed deer, mule deer, moose, elk, caribou, bison, Dall sheep, muskoxen, and mountain goats. Medium-sized mammals, such as beaver and snowshoe hares, can be an important secondary food source. Occasionally wolves will prey on birds or small mammals such as mice and voles, but these are supplementary to their requirements for large amounts of meat. Wolves have been observed catching fish in places like Alaska and Western Canada. They will also kill and eat domestic livestock such as cattle and sheep, and they will consume carrion if no fresh meat is available. How long do wolves live? It is misleading to say that wolves in the wild live an average of a certain number of years. There are so many variables. Some wolves die soon after they are born, and others are killed or die in early or middle adulthood. Members of the dog family like wolves and domestic dogs can live to be 15 or 16 years old, sometimes even older. How fast can wolves run? Wolves will travel for long distances by trotting at about 5 miles per hour. They can run at speeds of 36 to 38 miles per hour for short bursts while chasing prey. Although bursts of maximum speed are relatively short, wolves can maintain pursuit of running prey animals for long distances and over rough terrain. How far can wolves travel? Wolves are hunters, and they travel far and wide to locate prey. They may travel 50 miles or more each day in search of food, and they are superbly designed for a life on the move. Because their elbows turn inward, their lean bodies are precisely balanced over their large feet. With their long legs and ground-eating stride, they can travel tirelessly for hours on end with no energy wasted. Dispersing wolves, those leaving packs in search of their own mates, have been known to travel hundreds of miles away from their home territory. Why do wolves howl? The howl of the wolf is one of nature's most evocative and powerful sounds. The haunting chorus of wolves howling is beautiful, or frightening depending on one's point of view. Wolves howl to communicate with one another. They locate members of their own pack by howling, and they often engage in a group howl before setting off to hunt. The howl is a clear warning to neighboring wolves to stay away. Are wolves dangerous to people? In a word, the general answer is no. Wolves typically avoid people. But there are several well-documented accounts of wild wolves attacking people in North America, and although there were no witnesses, a 2007 inquest determined that a young man killed in northern Saskatchewan in 2005 died as a result of a wolf attack. Accounts of wolves killing people persist in India and in Russia and parts of Central Asia. Like any large predator, wolves are perfectly capable of killing people. What is a wolf pack? A wolf pack is a cohesive family unit consisting of the adult parents and their offspring of the current year and perhaps the previous year and sometimes 2 years or more. Wolf parents used to be referred to as the alpha male and alpha female or the alpha pair. These terms have been replaced by breeding male, breeding female, and breeding pair, or simply parents. The adult parents are usually unrelated, and other unrelated wolves may sometimes join the pack. How many wolves are in a pack? Pack size is highly variable and fluid because of the birth of pups, dispersal, and mortality. Prey availability and size are also factors. Where prey animals are smaller, packs are often small. Where prey is large, the packs may be larger. More pack members means more food must be obtained. Wolf packs are generally largest in late autumn when the nearly grown pups are strong enough to hunt with the adults. Over the winter months, some wolves may disperse to find mates and territories of their own. Others die, and by spring, before the arrival of a new crop of pups, the pack size has often diminished.